Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Samira. So today we are making this stylish comb sleeve top and we are making use of 1 yard of floral material. So guys, you can see how beautiful the top is on my body. So please just keep on watching this tutorial to the end so that you'll be able to learn how to cut this stylish style on your own. So guys, please don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can also share this tutorial with your friends. Please ask your friends to also subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see it and learn from it. Like I said, if you're interested to know how to make this stylish style on your own, please keep on watching this tutorial to the end, and it's another way for you to support my channel to grow. Please watch my tutorial to the end to support my channel to grow. So guys, you can see how beautiful the material is. It's 1 yard of this material that we are using to achieve this style. So keep on watching so that you can learn how to cut and sew it on your own. So I'll just arrange the material now so that we can get started with our tutorial. So let's get started now.
So let's get started with our tutorial. So I want to spread it out so that we'll start with our measurement. So this is how you also place your fabric when making this kind of style. So we'll get started with our measurement now. So let me give it a straight line. So we'll start with it, like the measurement. So this is how you spread it. So I will give it a straight line. So using my ruler to roll it so that we'll start with it now. So this is how you also make it when making your own. So can you see it now? So I'm giving out my length. The length that I'm giving out is 26. So that's my 26 there. So mark your 26. That is how you also mark it when making this kind of style. So after that now, just for us now to rule. So to get that line. So after that we'll start with the proper measurement now. So this is how you also do it when making your own. So that is the neckline I'm giving. So you give your neckline 5. So it's 5 that I'm giving out there now. So this is my 5. So this is how you also give your neckline. Okay, so the down of it, that the cleavage, I'm giving out by 2 inch. So that's my 2 inch that I'm giving out also. Okay, so just do it the way you are seeing me doing it now. So this is how you also mark when marking your own. So after that is the shoulder. So I'm giving the shoulder by 8, that is 16. So that is how you give it, and to get a straight line, because that is where you get your arm on now. Okay, so this is how you also make it. So I want to give it a straight line now. So after that we'll get started with the proper measurement. So that is the line there now. So that is where I will get my width. So I'm marking the width. The width that we spread out is 12. So my bust is 40. So that's my 40. Okay, that I'm marking. So just follow up what I'm doing here and do it on your own. So that's the half length, okay, that I want to mark. My half length that I'm giving out there now is 16, and the waist that I'm giving out is 38. Okay, so that is how you put it. After that, before you now start to put your sewing allowance, so that after that, my sewing allowance that I'm giving out, okay, is 1 inch. So it's 1 inch that I'm giving out for my sewing allowance. So I've done that. So just for you now to connect everything together. So I'm connecting from the bust to the waistline now, and from the waistline to the downside of it, like the button, the hip side. Okay, so that we've done that now. So my slope for my shoulder is 1 inch that I'm marking there now. Okay, just follow out what I'm doing. So please guys, always watch my tutorial to the end and share it to your friends, comment, give it a thumbs up. So that is the neck. I've started cutting now. Okay, so this is how you also make it when making your own. Just please just subscribe to my channel and watch my channel to the end. Okay, so that is the cutting side that I've done there now. So I want to cut the side of it. So just follow up and follow every detail that you can see me doing, and you do it and you achieve this kind of top that you are making. Remember, we are making a cone sleeve, so I'll also show you how to cut it and also how to fix it out. Okay, so that is the body side now. So we are done with the back, that is the front. Okay, that I want to use the front to lay. So I'm using the front that we have cut earlier now to lay on it now and cut it exactly the way we cut the front. Okay, so I just lay it down. It doesn't have a zip, it doesn't have, just lay the way we cut the front side of it. Okay, so you achieve this kind of a style that we are making, and it's a beautiful material that we are using to make this style. And I want you guys to also have your material also, so that by the time you finish learning how to cut this kind of style, just use some fabric and cut it. Okay, and get it so that you can be able to cut this kind of style and you have mastered it. So just have your fabric. It's good to have your fabric after watching and practice it on your own. So I'm just laying the back side of using the front to lay on it and cut it out also. So I will just cut now. So I've done that, I've laid down. It's a shape material that will be shifting, so that's why I'm just arranging it very well so that it will be equal. So now is the cutting now. So just follow up and please share it to your friends and subscribe, comment, watch my video to the end, give it a thumbs up. That is one of the ways you can also help the channel to grow. Please do it and share it to your friends. So I've done that now, so the cutting is done. So this is how you also make it when making your own. So can you see what I've done there now? Okay, so just follow up and do it on your own. Practice it. Everything you see me doing, just practice it. So now is the sleeve that I want to cut out now. Okay, so the sleeve, so I want to cut the two sleeves at once. So you can see that it's a small sleeve that we are making because of the way I want to fix the sleeve. So that's my length. My length is 11 and the width, you can see me, is 5.5. that is, I just folded there. It will have to the armhole side, not cover the armhole side. So you see me after finishing it and I'll show you how it is on the sleeve, on the body. So we have done that. Just for me now to cut it out, and you also have a plenty at the upper side, just a very little one to just plenty at the up. So I'll take it to the machine to go and stitch at the downside, and also we also stitch it to the upper side and plait out. So now I've joined the body side of the top. So what I will do now is the sleeve now to show you how to fix it, because I've also done the plating, everything is done. So from the shoulder is what I want to show you how to fix this kind of sleeve. It's a cut sleeve. So what I'm marking there is 4 inch that I'm marking. So you come to the other side of the sleeve side, from the shoulder you mark also 4, and it's from that 4 that you fix your sleeve. So let me put it the way I want to go and fix it. So this is how you also do it when making your own. Okay, so this is how you also fix it. So can you see what I've done there now? I've folded the downside, printed the upper side because it had a little print, and to fix it. So fix it from where to where I showed you. From the shoulder now is 4 that I fix it now. So the fixing is done. So I will take it to the machine and it's ready.
All right, our top is ready. Very beautiful. This is our top. You can see how we fix it. Guys, just follow the procedure. You are going to achieve it. So it's a comb sleeve. This is how to fix your comb sleeve. You can see it's a stylish one. We did not cover it very well. You can see the hammer is open. That's why it's a stylish sleeve. Very beautiful one. So guys, we made use of 1 yard of this fabric to achieve this style. So guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. What are you waiting for? If you have not done that, please do it for your girl Samira. So just click the subscribe button to subscribe now. Guys, you can also share this tutorial with your friends, give it a thumbs up, and please support this channel to grow by watching my tutorials to the end. Guys, please watch my tutorials to the end to support this channel to grow. So you can see how beautiful it is. Very lovely, and you can wear it out on your jean, on your plain trouser, on your skirt, and you are good to go. You can see how the sleeve is. Let me open it for you to see how beautiful it is. So you can also make yours, and yours can look like this. So guys, we have come to the end of today's tutorial. Again, I hope you understood what we did. I hope you enjoyed our tutorial today. Let us know what you think about our tutorial. Let me know what you think about it. Your suggestion is also needed. Thank you so much, my beautiful people for always stopping by to watch my tutorial. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. And guys, give this video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see it and YouTube can recommend it to more audience. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.